take a look at where we're at. Boy, is that nice or what? So I'm right on the edge of this bluff here. This is where I came in. It's just beautiful here, quiet, huge expanse of lake. Got a van life neighbor there. Anyway, it's just gorgeous. Really pretty. Well, time to make some food. All right, so let's get this going before it gets too dark. Okay, here's a good way to, always works to get the alcohol going. Light a little thing there, and that'll bloom in a sec. And let's get some water. For this, we're gonna need a cup and a half of water. Got the measurement here for 2 cups. So I'll stop it right about there. The bottom of the little circle, in my experience, is about a cup and a half. We gotta add half a cup of milk to this. So here's what I'm doing for dinner tonight. Taking one of these little beauties, cheddar broccoli, and I'll be adding broccoli, red pepper, and green onion to it. And then some chicken in a pouch, which I'll add right at the very end. I'll also add some garlic, but I'm running out of space on my cutting board, so I'll cut that up after I add the other veggies. The garlic takes much less time to cook because it's so thinly sliced. Well, let's let this come to a simmer. Okay, so our milk is simmering. So now it's time to add stuff. We'll add in the veggies. And then the pasta. All the stuff. Okay. So now I'm gonna stir all this to combine it. We'll put the chicken in right at the end. So the chicken is already cooked, obviously. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to put it on simmer. Oh, always tricky. So this little beauty here, this thing here that I can lower the simmering on with, that's a canning magnet, worth its weight in gold. Now we'll cut up a little garlic and we'll get the chicken ready. Which, by ready, I mean we'll open the pouch. It's a little chilly here and it's simmering, but not as much as I want. So I'm actually gonna take out my simmer plate. I'm going to open the simmer ring wider, and then I'm going to put my simmer plate back and put the pot back on. And while I've got it open, I could add in the garlic. Nice. It's looking pretty good and smelling pretty good. So it's simmering beautifully. Let's check to see if how's the pasta come along? Oh, it's about 2 minutes from done. So in about 1 minute, we'll add the chicken. Getting mighty dark. Okay, we should be just about there. Obviously it's cooking real nice. This is when the Trangia cook set really excels. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it, but we have pretty much a constant, about 12 mile an hour breeze, and it's just it's just perfect for this kind of weather conditions. So I'm going to add this shredded chicken. And this little beauty is done. I'm actually going to let it thicken for a minute, which always adds something nice. So I'm going to let that thicken up, and see if I can give you a good view of how nice that is. Really, really nice. Be a delicious dinner. It's only took about 20 to 25 minutes or so total to make it. In the meantime, of course, it obviously got dark, but it really is a nice, colorful dish, and it's going to be delicious.